You are watching Tech Curry. For more informative content, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Every computer user uses some websites very frequently. In order to do so, he opens the web browser and type the URL of that website. But instead of doing it every single time, we can create shortcuts of those frequently used websites on our Windows desktop and access them in a click. So let's open our Chrome browser and start our tutorial. In the Chrome browser I have opened three websites: youtube.com, netflix.com, and primevideo.com. These are the three websites I frequently use, and I am going to create shortcuts for three websites on my computer's desktop. After opening the desired website, we will click the three dots on extreme right. Then we will hover on More Tools and click Create Shortcut option. Here we will customize the name of our shortcut if needed. Check Open as window and click Create button. Our website has been launched in new window. Let's close it and do the same for Netflix and YouTube. If we don't check the Open as window checkbox, the shortcut will be created, but when we click it, the website will open in a Chrome tab instead of opening in a standalone window. Now let's go to our desktop and play with our newly created shortcuts. Now we will pin Prime Video, Netflix and YouTube to start menu. Icons are visible and can be launched from here. Now we will add them in our taskbar. Icons have been pinned to taskbar. Now we can launch the shortcuts from taskbar, start menu, or desktop from wherever we want. All websites will be opened in standalone window and we can open them any numbers of times. If you want to switch to Chrome tab, you can select Open in Chrome option as shown here. If you want to uninstall the shortcut, you can click Uninstall name of website. Here I clicked Uninstall Prime Video. Prime Video icon is no more here. I am removing YouTube now. Its shortcut will also remove from all locations, i.e. desktop, start menu and taskbar. If we delete the shortcut from desktop, the shortcut remain there at taskbar and start menu. Here we learn how to add our favorite website to desktop, start menu and taskbar. We also learn how to properly remove them. Thanks for watching and keep doing it for more awesome content.